Go home happy with the 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.